Moin Moin, today we have this little 5-pin design house lock. Key works. So let's try it. Nothing on 1, nothing on, click on 2. Nothing on 3. Click on 4. 5 is hard to reach, so I need to move around a little, and I got a counter rotation on, what was it? 5. Got it. Nice little, had some movement here, but guess I dropped something. Okay, I'm back in count and core rotation. Nice, click on 1, go to 2 again. Some counter rotation on 2, but I dropped it again. And we open. Alright, so pin 4 needed a little more work. So this one is done and dusted. As you can see. Boop. Now, of course, I got some stupid. I dropped all the pins in here. And now we're locked again. So let's get a... Do I have... Yeah, I have tweezers. I have everything's here. That's fine. Perfect. So let's open up this thingy. Let's find a follower that might fit. And a little to the side. What is... I have a problem right now. I'm not getting... Well, this is strange. I'm missing something. This little plate. But I don't think I can pull it. But I don't think that's a problem. Why does it not work? Usually when you remove the back plate, you can just pull it out. But in this case, not. I don't know why. So the core is disengaged. Let me try something. So I jammed it a little on the floor. And I got some movement. some more movement. Ah, there we go. Alright, so it was kind of stuck. I had to slam it on the floor. Let's have a quick look what's in here. Standard. 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 There's all standard pins in here. Let's check out the core. The spool in one. Oops, another spool. Oh, it might be a challenge lock even, huh? I did not know that it's a challenge lock is, but this looks not like a standard. Is it serrated? Why is there a modified? It's pretty modified to me. Was that a standard pin? Is that a... No, it's not modified. I haven't seen this pin before. Let me zoom in. So if you know what kind of pin this is, let me know. I haven't seen this one. Not in a not modified lock. And this is not a modified lock. Alright. That are the pins. So we got two serrated. We got an hourglass, spool, and standard pins. I don't think we have any core modifications at all. No. So that was a design house with an hourglass pin and some others. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.